Alright, what is the supplement of angle B if the measure of angle B is 24.2 minus x degrees? So what do we know about supplements? Two angles are supplements to each other if their measures add up to 180. So let S be B's supplement. The supplement plus B's measure must be 180 by the definition of supplementary. Substituting this expression in for the measure of angle B, we have this. And remember what the question is asking for. What is the supplement? In other words, solve for S. So we just need to get rid of the blue stuff, get S by itself, and we will know the answer to what is the supplement. It will be S. To get rid of plus the blue thing, we will subtract the blue thing from both sides. On the left side then, all that remains is S, the supplement that we are looking for. And on the right side of the equation, we have 180 minus this expression, but the multiple choice answer options will probably combine like terms. So when we subtract this from this side, let's combine like terms, which means we should first distribute the subtraction. And then we will subtract the negative x, which means we'll have plus x. So our final answer then is that the supplement is equal to 180 minus 24.2, which is 155.8, and plus x, our final answer. The expression for the supplement, or the answer for the supplement of angle B, happens to be an algebraic expression.